Hello, everyone. Hopefully, you all had a good Memorial Day break. So, transitioning into our final weeks of school. Um, so, today I thought we'd just go straight into it. So, I wanted to give you the vocabulary first. So, it's a selection, portfolio is a selection of a student's work, such as papers and tests compiled over a period of time and used for assessing performance or progress. So, usually, when we've done a written assignment, right? So, whether it's an argumentative essay, whether we did a literary analysis, we at the end, right, of your final draft, you had to put your portfolio together, right? So similarly to that, you're going to be doing a poetry portfolio. So you're creating a portfolio that contains 5 creative components. So that's 5 of your poems. Now, thankfully, usually in class, we would have them written out and then we would spend time typing them, but you have them already typed, so you're ahead of the game. So you're going to choose 5 poems, and then a reflection sheet typed for each of those poems. Okay, so you're reflecting on it, and I'll give you the reflection sheet as well attached to this assignment. You have to have at least 3 creative illustrations for the poems you choose. So whether you like drawing, you can draw something for each poem and then impose them into the Google Doc. And then because it's remote learning, it might be a little difficult for some of you. I will allow um, creative illustrations from Google or different online. But again, it has to be creative and go along with the poem that you've written. There needs to be 2 analysis components. So that means 2 to MERP paragraphs analyzing published poetry. So it has to be typed and revised. So you have written, I think, at least 1 to MERP paragraph for uh, different poems. So choose 2 poems that we've read in class and you're writing to MERP paragraphs for them. And then on top of everything, there needs to be a creative cover. So the first page of your portfolio, um, again, should have some type of image that you drew or found and have your name clearly visible in the front page. Okay. So that's what we're doing for the rest of this week is you just organizing your poetry portfolio together. So you guys can use your own laptops to type and revise your work. So again, any poems that have already been written, you can revise them. Um, and then also writing your reflections. So again, it's crazy to think you're going to be in 10th grade soon. So again, we're working on becoming more independent and being able to self-manage yourselves. So be sure that you're using your time wisely with our class and the rest of your other classes. Okay. So for today, you will have an exit ticket. So again, you're each working at your own pace. So therefore, I'd like to know by the end of the today, what did you accomplish this period? What are your next steps? And what additional support do you need? Okay. So again, everything else will be in your assignment for today. So make sure you look at the requirements for the poetry portfolio. Okay. All right, guys. Hope you have a good day and see you tomorrow.